Good evening viewers, welcome to my channel Census 2027 Learning Hub. So in this CMMS video series, we will make every concept simple and learn each module through step-by-step hands-on practice. Learn it, do it and master it. Let's get started. So in today's video, we will explain that if we are by mistakenly put the geotagging in some different HLB, and then how we can manage it to and bring it to the correct HLB, right? Sometimes we used to do the geotagging in the wrong HLB or wrong location. In that case, how we can correct that geotag position from the wrong HLB to the correct HLB. So now I will draw few HLBs and I will geotag it one by one, and after that I will show how to correct it, right? Let's say this is the geotagging icon. So first of all, say these yellow boundaries are the village boundaries or the ward boundaries, right? So first I will geotag one, let's say any village, this village, no, let's say this village. Okay, so let's say this is the village, and I am doing the geotagging here, and then I am mentioning the geotag landmark name, Payment Bank, and after that I will change the status to complete and save it, right? So after that I will, let's say I will demarcate it, right? In this way I have demarcating this HLB. So I have demarcated it, and now I will change the status to complete. So after that, let's say for the second HLB, let's say this one, and by mistake I should put the landmark in some location outside this HLB, right? Because I will be creating another HLB, but by mistake it means landmark should be in mini playground right here, but by mistake I have placed the landmark inside the earlier HLB, and I by mistakenly saved it also. Let's say I have some test landmark, or let's say I will again put it. Let's say I have wrongly put the landmark here. Sri Sai Mandir, right? And I have saved it. This is the wrong landmark I have put. And after creating the HLB, first HLB I have created for this village. Let's say the second HLB is, my landmark should be inside this, right? My landmark should be, this landmark should be inside this, but by mistakenly I have put the landmarks here. In that case, what I can do? Let's say I have completed it and saved it. So in our case, the HLB is this, but its landmark is wrongly pointed here. So if we go to this, let's say 039, right? 039. See, 039 is this HLB, right? But its landmark is showing here. If we go to the landmark for 039, let's say 039, wait. Where is 039? It will be somewhere here. not in sequence. See 039. See where landmark is showing, it is showing here, but it should be inside the 039 HLB, and 039 HLB is somewhere. See 039 HLB is somewhere here, but the landmark is showing here. So in that case, what we can do, we will just pick the landmark from here, and we will zoom it here and put the landmark somewhere in this HLB. Let's say Khan store. And then what we need to do, we need to just change the name of the landmark, Khan store, and then we need to save it. Once we saved it, the landmarks, that earlier landmarks which we have wrongly put here is changed to Khan market. So this is the way we can change the landmark location from incorrectly placed in some HLB to the correct HLB. So this is how we can move. We just need to go to the landmark and then pull that landmark and keep it means, or pull it to the HLBs where it should be correctly. Right. In this way we can change the landmark location from the corrected landmark, from the wrong landmark location to the corrected landmark location. Let's say I will give another again I will explain with one more example. Let's say 039, right? I will take 040, right? And again I am doing the same mistake. I have somehow I have put this landmark here, right? Mistakenly I have put this landmark here, test 2, and I have updated it. And let's say our HLB, I have drawn it here. And later I came to know that, oh, my landmark should be in this HLB, but it is not inside this HLB, it is somewhere here. See, it is somewhere here, but it should be inside this HLB, right? So in that case, what we need to do, it is 40, right? If we go to the 40, all, if we select all, then we can directly get to the HLB number. Okay, if we go to the 40, see, test 2, but test 2 landmark is outside, right? It should be inside this 40 number HLB, right? So this is the 40 number HLB, but my landmark is outside this. So what we need to do, we just click to the landmark and bring the landmark to any of the landmark name inside that HLB, right? So it is mini playground. So I will change it to the actual landmark name, mini playground, because earlier landmark was wrong. And then I need to save it. Once I will save it, then the landmark is now changed to the actual one. So this is how we can correct the landmark if we have wrongly kept it in some other HLB. So I hope you like this video and keep watching, and thank you for watching this video, and hope this video will be beneficial for this forthcoming census 2027. For more step-by-step CMMS practical videos, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming session. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.